Dear train passengers, welcome to our channel and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Today I am here with a list of trains origin change. Origin change means the actual starting station of the following trains are changed to other stations due to the doubling works. Number 1, train number 20692. From Nagarkoil to Tambaram Express trains, station is changed to Tirunelveli instead of Nagarkoil from 29th March 2024 to 1st April 2024. Train number 2, train number 06103 from Kanyakumari to Thiprukar Express. Starting station is changed to Thiruvananthapuram instead of Kanyakumari from 29th March 2024. Next, train number 16382 from Kanyakumari to Pune Express. Starting station is changed to Kochiveli instead of Kanyakumari from 29th March 2024 to 2nd April 2024. Next, train number 16525 from Kanyakumari to Bangalore City Express. Starting station is changed to Kochiveli instead of Kanyakumari from 29th March 2024 to 2nd April 2024. Next, train number 06640 from Kanyakumari to Punalur Express. Starting station is changed to Parasala instead of Kanyakumari from 29th March 2024 to 1st April 2024. And train number 16366 from Nagarkoil to Kottayam Express. Starting station is changed to Kochiveli instead of Nagarkoil from 29th March 2024 to 2nd April 2024. Thank you, subscribers.